Just finished up a full build for a gal who's going to be moving out of her house and into the van and traveling for a year with her dog, Oscar. And wanted lots of storage, wanted an apartment-like feel to it. Got a curtain rod at the top, curtain rod up front for some curtains. Curtains will go in the window. She'll get some upholstered cushions for these benches. Now there's a panel for here and for up front, so it can be a U-shaped bench, it could be a full bed, plenty of workspace. You can see we got our lagoon top here. In the kitchen we have a sink, cutting board, propane Dometic top. Now if you remember, this build was something that I received partially done. So I had to work with what was here. I had to fix a lot of mistakes from the previous builder. And I was able to make this product come out really, really nice and exactly what the client wanted. So this thing is really good to go. B4 gasoline heater. This thing heats this van up real fast and keeps it warm. 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. This is an essential piece of a van build, if I must say so myself.